When it comes to outfitting your kitchen, finding the perfect cookware set can make all the difference. This Chef Power Ceramic Cookware Set, a versatile, healthy, and space-saving solution designed for modern cooking needs. This 19-piece set promises not only an exceptional cooking experience, but also an eco-friendly and durable alternative to traditional cookware. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting your culinary journey, this set offers everything you need to elevate your cooking and kitchen organization. Key features of the Chef Power Ceramic Cookware Set. 1. Healthy ceramic nonstick coating. One of the standout features of the Chef Power Cookware Set is its healthy ceramic nonstick coating. Made from natural rock materials, this coating is free from harmful chemicals such as PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, making it the ideal choice for health-conscious individuals. Unlike traditional nonstick pans that rely on Teflon, which can release harmful fumes when overheated, Chef Power's ceramic coating provides a non-toxic, safe cooking surface. With this set, you can sauté, fry, and cook your favorite dishes with less oil, ensuring healthier meals for you and your family. 2. Space-saving storage design. A common issue with traditional cookware sets is the amount of space they take up in your kitchen. Chef Power addresses this concern with its detachable handles, which allow the pots and pans to stack neatly, saving you up to 70% of kitchen storage space. When stacked, the cookware set measures only 13 by 12 by 8 inches, making it perfect for those who need efficient storage in small kitchens, apartments, or dorms. Now you can enjoy premium cookware without sacrificing space. 3. Multifunctional and versatile. This cookware set isn't just for cooking. It's an all-in-one solution for a variety of kitchen needs. The set can be used on induction, gas, electric, and ceramic stoves, making it compatible with virtually any stovetop. Additionally, it is oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven without worrying about the cookware. The silicone lids are also oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, offering even more flexibility in your cooking methods, whether you're frying, baking, sautéing, or simmering. This set provides the versatility you need to tackle all your recipes. 4. Easy to clean. Cleaning up after a meal should be the least of your worries. Thanks to the double-sided ceramic non-stick coating, food slides right off with minimal effort. No more scrubbing away stubborn food residue. The Chef Power Ceramic Cookware Set is also dishwasher safe, ensuring that cleanup is quick and hassle-free. With the ceramic coating, you don't need to worry about scratched surfaces, as this cookware is designed to withstand daily use while maintaining its non-stick performance. With these pieces, you can tackle everything from delicate sauces to large stews, stir-fries, and even pasta dishes. This set provides everything you need to prepare and serve a wide variety of meals. 5. Eco-friendly and safe materials. The Chef Power Ceramic Cookware Set is not only kind to your health but also to the environment. By using a natural, chemical-free ceramic coating and reducing the need for synthetic non-stick materials, this cookware is a great option for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint. The materials used in the construction of this cookware are non-toxic, meaning you can cook without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. Why choose the Chef Power Ceramic Cookware Set? If you're still on the fence about whether this set is right for you, here are some compelling reasons to make the investment. Health-conscious cooking. The absence of PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, and other toxic chemicals means you can cook your favorite meals with peace of mind, knowing that your cookware is safe and non-toxic. Space-saving design. Perfect for small kitchens or anyone who needs to optimize storage space without sacrificing quality or function. Durability. This cookware is built to last, offering superior heat distribution and resistance to wear and tear. Conclusion. If you're in the market for cookware that combines style, functionality, and health-conscious materials, the Chef Power Ceramic Cookware Set is the ideal choice. With its innovative space-saving design, healthy non-stick coating, and versatile compatibility with all stovetops, this set is a must-have for any kitchen. Not only does it make cooking easier, but it also makes cleaning up a breeze. Whether you're a novice home cook or an experienced chef, this set will elevate your cooking experience and simplify your kitchen organization. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.